compared to other slopes in the northern hemisphere, which is the warmest? South-facing. What is the approximate velocity of light per second? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What is the growth movement in plant due to light called? Phototropism. Which of Indian bird has been included in the World Conservation List? Vulture. Which Indian missile is capable of carrying nuclear weapons? Prithvi. Which is the hottest planet? Venus. Who is the first Indian to take a hat-trick in an international test? Harbhajan Singh. What is responsible for blue body syndrome? Nitrate. The International Court of Justice was established in which year? 1946. Acetyl salicylic acid is commonly used as which medicine? A painkiller. What are the doldrums? Equatorial zone with low pressure. What is the energy of the winds and the waves? Kinetic energy. Which river flows through a rift valley? Narmada. Which allotrope of the carbon is used in cutting and drilling? Diamond. The rock-cut caves at Elephanta belong to which period? Chalukyas. Which roots contain nitrogen-fixing bacteria? Nodulated root. What is the major source of oceanic salinity? Rivers. In which transmission are sound and video signals transmitted simultaneously? TV transmission. What is responsible for converting milk into curd? Bacteria. Which is the lightest gas? Hydrogen. On which river do the Victoria Falls lie? River Zambezi. Who built the Sun Temple at Konark? King Narasimhadeva I. Which alloys is used for making magnets? Alnico. Which electromagnetic radiation is most prevalent in the atmosphere? Infrared. Which two countries are the leading manufacturers of cement in the world? China and India.